Hey everyone, I have got some exciting news to share with all of you today. Are you ready to plug into the rhythm of the appliance plug? Every great brand needs a signature tune that resonates with its audience. It's a catchy melody that gets stuck in your head when you hear it. Well, guess what? We've got just that, our very own Appliance Plug Jingle. Trust me, this jingle is nothing short of pure energy. And best of all, you can find it on your favorite music platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Hashtag Appliance Plug Jingle. Introducing The Plug by the Appliance Plug. You're gonna want to turn up the volume and dance to this one.
My house is better than before. Brand new appliance delivered to my door. Big barbecue grill in my yard. I got it from the Appliance Plug. You can see why I love it. Whoa, white glove service, no scratches on the surface. New fireplace been burning. We got what you've been searching for. No need to worry. Once you go tap, there's no returning. It's your hookup for appliances. The Appliance Plug, the plug, the plug. The Appliance Plug, the plug, the plug. The plug, the plug. The Appliance Plug, the plug, the plug. Your hookup for appliances. Your hookup for appliances. Your hookup for appliances. Your hookup for appliances. For appliances. Your hookup for appliances. Your hookup for appliances. Your hookup for appliances. Fire up the grill, open up the fridge, it's a party outside. Party in the kitchen, find the best price, you can even finance it. Learn how to install it on our YouTube channel. LG, Z-Line, Whirlpool, and Danby. Every brand that I see is fancy. We already know you're gonna love it, that's a guarantee. Come and join the TAP family. Whoa, white glove service, no scratches on the surface. New fireplace been burning. We got what you've been searching for. No need to worry. Once you go tap, you know it's perfect. It's your hookup for appliances. The Appliance Plug.